Do you want to witness the true power of AI with your own eyes? Or even create videos with it? Because in this tutorial, we will be teaching you how you can rise to popularity by making a video go viral with free AI tools. That's right, you heard it right. No paid transactions. Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to create a viral video using AI. First things first, to make a viral video, you have to know what interests your audience. In making a video, you should consider a niche of your video to have two important factors, which is high view duration and high level engagement. So, to do that, head to your browser and search up ChatGPT in the search bar. Once you are in ChatGPT, just hit log in, or if you do not have an account yet, just go ahead and sign up so you can access this wonderful tool. So, once you are here, you can see in the type box is how we can communicate with the AI. Now, what we're going to do is to create a script for our chosen niche. As for me, I have chosen to make a script about this video. So, I'll type in, give me a script for a YouTube video titled, then insert your prompt. As for me, I'll type in titled, this quiz will tell you your life purpose. Then once you press generate, the AI will now proceed to generate you a well-articulated script. So now that you have a script, what you want to do is to create a voice file of your script. But to do that, what you want to do now is to head on to a new tab again and search for ClickChamp and create an account. Once you have created a ClickChamp account, what you want to do is to press create a new video. Once you're in the creation page, what you want to select is the record and create option. Look for text-to-speech option and head back to ChatGPT. Copy your work and head back to ClickChamp to paste the generated script. In here, there is a wide selection of voices to choose from. You can select any one you like for your video. Now that you have the AI voicing over your work, what you want to do is press export to proceed. Okay, we are now down to our final step. What we are going to do now is to combine our image and voice to make the image talk. Once again, open up a new tab and search for DID or D/ID. Use your free trial and sign in. Doing this will bring you to a new page. So, in the home page, you can create a new video, check your video library, and many more. What you are going to select is create a video. In here, you can see a selection of AI presenters that will talk once your audio file has been uploaded. Once you have selected your AI presenter or even uploaded your own image, what you are going to do next is to press the audio section. Upload your audio file once you are done selecting the AI, and then press generate. Just wait for a while and you will have your generated video. Once you have your video, you can upload it to any social media platform that you are using. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or anything that you want. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now create a viral video using AI. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.